Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close my Citibank credit card. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, closing like the Citibank credit card is just like closing the account. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and connect into the Citi online. Basically, go to citi.com and make sure to connect into your account. Of course, it's going to be the same like here, citi.com. Make sure to also if you're using as an example your phone, go and log in into that phone if you don't want to use like example the websites instead. So once you go as example and say you logged in, you'll have to go and select services. Then you'll have to select card services, whether you are on the app or you are in the website. So then of course you'll have to select manage my account, select account closure requests, or if you don't want to do all of that manually, you can contact them on this number or this number if you're calling from overseas. And of course, if you're enrolled in the CC Rewards program, please make sure that you redeem any reward point before initializing or initiating account disclosure. Otherwise, they will be forfeited and you will not be able to reactivate your account or redeem them after the account is closed. An important thing to understand before you close your account, please make sure that you redeemed your points. Otherwise, they will be forfeited, of course. Make sure to do so. Please cancel any recurring payments or credit direct debits that you have set up. And once you have submitted your request, you can close your credit card account, but we will not be able to reactivate the account. Keep that in mind. And you will not, or you have not, if you have not used Citi Online before, you'll need to register first, then be able to close it. And of course, your account will continue to be visible online until you have paid off any outstanding balances. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.